Deep breath in and out. And now, as we switch our hands, we'll catch that moon and we'll bring this foot in, tap the toe, and then now we'll step out, and we'll have two palms facing but not touching, and we'll push out just a little, and this hand will fall, make a circle around, this hand will follow underneath, we'll turn at the hips, catch that moon, and two palms facing but not touching, and press out. And this is ward off. Deep breath in and out. Deep breath in and out. In and out. Sure, your shoulders are relaxed, your mind relaxed. And now, we'll flip our hands and we'll have two palms facing but not touching, and we'll slide across our bodies down to the opposite hip and back to ward off. Flip the hands and slide across the body, and this is roll back. Ward off. Roll back. Deep breath in and out. In and out. And now we'll toss to the side, cross at the wrists, and press. And we'll roll back, toss, cross, and press. Deep breath in and out. In and out. And now we'll open the hands, have the hands out in front of us, and we'll pull in and push out. And this is a movement with the entire body and not just the arms. It's like if you were going to push a piano across the room, you wouldn't use just your arms, you'd use your entire body. So imagine that. Imagine you're pushing that piano across the room. Deep breath in and out. And soften at the elbows, open. I will catch that moon on the other side, tap the other toe in, step out, and ward off. This hand makes that circle back to the top, and this hand follows underneath to catch that moon, and ward off. Deep breath in, and out. Catch that moon, ward off. Deep breath in, and out. And now we'll flip our hands, two palms facing but not touching, and roll back. Ward off. Roll back. Deep breath in. And out. And now toss, cross, and press. Roll back, toss, cross, and press. Deep breath in, and out. And now open up the hands, have the hands out in front of us, pull in, push out, push that piano across the room. Deep breath in, and out, in, and out. Soften elbows, open. Catch that moon, back on the other side. Tap the toe in, step out. I will do just one of each of those pieces. And all together, this is grasping the bird's tail. Cross at the wrist, press, open. Push that piano across the room. Soften at the elbows, open, and we'll go back to the other side. Catch that moon, tap the toe, and step out, ward off, roll back, toss, cross, press, pull in, push out. Soften at the elbows, open, back to the other side. Ward up, roll back, toss, cross, and press. Open the hands, pull in, push out, soften the elbows, open, and back to the other side. And ward up, roll back, toss, cross, press. Separate the hands, pull in, push out, grasping the bird's tail. Deep breath in and out. In and out. Soften the elbows, open, and back to the other side. Deep breath in and out. Soften the elbows, open, chest to center, and sink the chi. Deep breath in and out. And at the bottom, cross the wrists, up and over, and let's close the door. Deep breath in and out. Two hands come back down by the sides. One foot steps in, two palms together at the chest, and a little bow.